Good evening, viewers. We are at Hinjawadi Phase 3 at Pune. Hinjawadi is known for a lot of IT giants which are there in this IT premises. Like at our right side, you can see Tata Consultancy Services. Meanwhile, we are a circle wherein you can see TCS buildings. At the same time, in the serene evening, you can see a lot of people who, after their routine day work, are going back to their home. So currently, from the office, they are coming back to a bus stop when they would board the bus to go back to their home. Meanwhile, this is the routine life of Hinjawadi, but there are certain issues also. In recent past, a lot of media at nationally has reported that some companies in last 10 to 12 years have moved from Hinjawadi to outside, and for this the people who have given reasons are poor infrastructure, traffic issues, sanitation issues, waste management issues, and so on. By the way, Hinjawadi accommodate around 4 lakh IT engineer and allied services professionals who come every day to this place for their job and doing routine business. However, in recent past, there have been a buzz about companies moving out of Hinjawadi, and we at Punekar News, in last couple of hours, let's say 5 hours, we tried checking the facts. And after connecting with a lot of authorities in Hinjawadi, what we have understood is, you can see the metro line just ahead, and below this metro line, you can see a lot of infrastructure preparation related material. So metro construction is still, metro line readiness is still under construction. It would take around a year or so. Until that time, the traffic woes will be there. At the same time, currently, the buses or auto rickshaws which needs to be there to help people to move from Hinjawadi to their home or from their home to Hinjawadi, there is a scarcity of that. You can see, cameraman, if you can show them, you can see a lot of people standing here, but there is no bus, there is no auto rickshaw which can help them to move on to their home in the evening hours. One of the reasons which we have understood for the movement of these companies is majority of them, they were on a rented property, and in the due course of time they have moved to different location. For example, if some company which have had around 100 employees, for an example, hypothetically, so this company has moved to Kharadi because now their manpower, their human capital has increased from 100 to, let's say, 500. So it's not a movement basis issues related to infrastructure. It's a movement because this company is expanding, and such there are many other companies. So yes, there are traffic issues, there are issues with reference to infrastructure, but as far as movement of companies concerned from Hinjawadi to some other locations, it's not just because of infrastructure related issues. It's also because they were at a rented property and they now move to a different location for maybe their own property or maybe to opt for a bigger facility. For Punekar News, Tikam Shekhawat and Nikita.